Hello guys, this is part 2 of the carburetor rebuild video. It's loose. That's why. Oh, the stud's coming out. Wow, that looks clean. Oh, that's hot. Oh. Well guys, some of you may already have noticed that the two carburetors are not actually from a Rapide. In fact, you may have seen immediately that this front carb was off a Comet. So this is the 229F/1DV. It's from a Vincent Comet, and this one is a 289N/2DS. That's from a Black Shadow. This is the rear carb. All still pre-monobloc carburetors. The only major difference, I guess, with these particular carburetors is that they have they're 1/16 of an inch larger than the Rapide, 1 1/8 instead of a 1 1/16. So a couple of other things. The jet blocks are slightly bigger. These are 58. You may have seen that from the videos, versus 51. And the jet sizes are just slightly larger than what comes with the standard Rapide. So that's about it. I mean, I don't think there's any real discernible difference. I don't think a 1/16 of an inch is going to make too much of a difference in terms of performance. But yeah, and just in case you were wondering, the adapters or these manifolds are also correct. So for example, this is the front one. Here, this is the one that came on the bike, the one on the right. It's from a Comet. And so at least the correct adapters were fitted. The one on the left is solid brass. I got that from my friend George, actually for my Comet. I might put that one on the Rapide because it's really nice looking. So that's the carburetors finished now. I've still got to finish off here, putting everything back together once I reassemble the cables. But that's it for now. Thanks a lot, guys. See ya.